Hi students, this is Mrs. Sayers. In this video, we're going to look at noun-adjective agreement. Let's go. We have previously learned about our articles, both definite articles, el, la, los, y las, and our indefinite articles, un, una, unos, y unas. So when we have a word, we look at the ending of this word, usually a noun, and we determine whether it is a masculine word or a feminine word? Is it plural or singular? And based on this information, we're going to select the appropriate article depending on what we want to say. Here are some examples with articles. La casa, el perro. See, el is singular male, and therefore perro ends with o, which is for singular male. Las chicas, los gatos. Here is a short description. It is a shortcut. It doesn't hold all the rules, but for most of the nouns you will encounter, this will be valid. Most male nouns will end with O, R, or L, and most female nouns will end with A, with sion, or dat. Plural is marked in Spanish with a word ends with an S. So if a word ends with an S, it means it's plural if we're looking at a noun. If there is no S at the end, therefore it's singular. So let's look at this example here. Los gatos ends with an S, therefore we know it's plural. And if you remove the S, it ends with an O. So if you remove the S, it's a male word. So we know by the ending OS that this is a male plural word. Therefore, it gets los. Let's look now at noun-adjective agreements. Just as in articles, these must match in gender and in number with each other. First up, using colors as adjectives in Spanish. La casa roja. Roja comes from the color rojo. Just looking at the ending of roja, we can deduct that this is a female singular. It means in English, the red house. In this next sentence, we're going to look at a male singular example. El perro negro. Negro comes from the color negro. This has not been changed. It remains male singular, so it matches this sentence. This means the black dog. This third sentence, las camisas amarillas. Amarillas comes from the color amarillo. Amarillo ends with an O, and it does not match our female plural article or noun. Therefore, we need to modify amarillo to add an AS at the ending to make this a female plural so that both the articles, nouns, and our adjectives are all in agreement in number and in gender. This means the yellow shirt. Sorry. Last here, los gatos blancos. Blancos comes from the color blanco. Blanco ends with an O, which means it is male singular, but our sentence calls for male plural. Therefore, we gotta add this S and make sure our ending matches the article and the noun to make the sentence los gatos blancos. This means in English, the white cats. Here are some rules when you use colors as adjectives in Spanish. Note, number one, colors that end with O can be modified to end with an A, AS, or OS. For example, the color amarillo ends with an O, and to match the female singular, it becomes amarilla, the male plural amarillos, and female plurals amarillas. Remember, this counts for colors that ends with O. Number two, colors that end with a consonant. What are consonants? Well, in the alphabet, we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. All other letters in the alphabet are consonants. If we have a color in Spanish that ends with a consonant, this will remain as it is for both forms of singular. But for a plural, you'll add an ES. For example, the color azul. Azul for male singular, azul for female singular, azules for male plural, and azules for female plural. Number 3, colors that end with an E will remain as they are for both forms of singular and get an S added for plural. For example, verde is for male singular, verde for female singular, verdes for female plural, and verdes for male plural. Let's look at the sentence. Test 1. La flor morada. La flor is a noun that we have covered previously. It is ending with an R, therefore it's not following the rules. This is something you should know to make a note for yourself. But it is a female noun, la flor. Morada is the color purple. So looking at the sentence, la is a female singular article. Flor is a female singular noun. Morada is the color purple in female singular. This sentence is in correct format. La flor morada, both article and a noun, and now added the color adjectives, are all female singular. So, sentence is correct. Test number 2. Las blusas negro. Let's check it out. Las is a female plural article. Blusas is a female plural noun. Negro is the color black in male singular. It does not match the 2 above that are female plural. We know it's male singular looking at the ending O. There is no S to mark the plural, and O is for male. So to make this sentence correct, the color negro needs to be modified to its female plural format. Las blusas negras. Both article and noun are female plural, and now we add the color adjective as behind to also match being female plural. That's it for now, guys. Take care. Happy Spanish.